On the Cheap Tip, helping people lose inches one day at a time. I'm helping myself lose inches. Hey Cheap Bitches, I'm Rob, and this is On the Cheap Tip, and today is Suck It Up Sunday, where we're gonna suck something out of us. Well, that didn't sound good. What I mean is get rid of some bad stuff that's going on in our guts. Now, what a lot of people don't know is that our actual physical size is not just determined by how little or much fat we have on our body, but it's also determined by literally how much junk we have inside our gut. I'm talking about bacteria, leftover food particles, stuff that was being digested that just didn't get pushed to the surface. Is that TMI? And especially since I stopped eating meat, my body has gone through quite a bit of changes, like bloating and gas that you wouldn't believe. I have the kind of gas that could kill a small army. Just consider me an atomic weapon. Do it for America. So today I'm going to try out a detox drink that's for your gut. And I'm actually gonna do a little experiment to see if I could lose inches within one day. Do you think it's possible? Come along and find out. So the first thing you wanna do is make your drink, of course. So you're going to start out with a cup of boiling water. Then you're going to get ginger root. Now ginger root has been known for years to help settle upset stomach, diarrhea, and all those kind of stomach problems. But it's also an antimicrobial, which is going to help kill any of that bad bacteria and flush it out. So what you're going to do is cut about an inch of ginger root and chop it up as finely as you can, and then you're going to either throw it into your tea and then strain it out, or you could use what I use as my little handy dandy loose tea thing, strainer thing, whatever it's called, I don't know. And you're going to let the ginger seep into the water for some time. Now while it's seeping, you want to add in a little bit of lemon juice. Lemons are high in vitamin C, which help to boost your immune system, but they're also a little bit of a diuretic that helps to like clean out your system, and that's kind of what is working in your favor here. So what you're going to do is cut half a lemon and squeeze it into your detox drink. Now the last ingredient that you're going to add is a little bit of a mind I don't know if I should say that. Ground cumin. That just doesn't sound right. Cumin has kind of like a meaty, smoked taste, so I don't know how that's gonna go with lemon and ginger, but we'll see. Apparently cumin is an anti-carcinogenic, antimicrobial, and it's also a diuretic to help you flush out your system. So I guess in this sense, it's really needed for the drink. That's what it says. And you're going to take half a teaspoon of cumin and put it into your drink. Now what you're supposed to do is drink this first thing in the morning before you eat anything else. And it's also recommended that you drink this cold. So what I would do personally is probably prepare this the night before, put it in the refrigerator, and have it waiting for me in the morning, because I'm lazy. I like as little work as possible when I wake up. I'm not a morning person. So for the purposes of this experiment, to see if this actually works, I am taking my waist measurements and I'm starting at 34 inches exactly. 34. I can't believe I'm at 34. Does that mean my pant size has gone up? Because that's really sad. I'm also going to weigh myself just to see how many pounds I go up or down. 154.8. Oh my god, that's all that chocolate I've been eating. And I'm ready to start my trial, so here's that footage. Just go that way. Alright, so it's early in the morning and I'm just about to drink my ginger, lemon, and cumin drink. It smells like a taco. That's the only way I can explain it. It's also very spicy smelling, so it's like going through my nostrils. My allergies are acting up, so this is kind of helping. Alright, let's stop stalling and actually drink this. Oh, it's not that bad. I mean, it is a little smoky tasting, but overall not bad. Oh, some of the cumin powder got in my mouth. It's a little much. After I finish this today, I'm just gonna eat like regular. And I actually did a whole video on what I'm eating lately, and if you want to check that video out, you can click up there. Yes, that's me plugging my channel videos. I need views. Alright, I'm about done, and can just start my day. Alright, so it's been about an hour since I had my drink, and I have to tell you, I'm getting a little heartburny up in here. I think that might be from the lemon. I also feel a little tingly. My sinuses feel a little more clear because they were really bad this morning because of all the pollen falling from, you know, trees and stuff blooming. Other than that, my stomach feels settled, I have to say. I'm not feeling any gassiness. Hopefully, maybe this is helping. So it is now the next day and I weigh myself. Good morning. I just woke up and I'm about to weigh myself. So let's get this started. All right. 151.8. That's pretty damn good. I lost like 3 pounds. Not too bad for one day's work. And I had empanadas last night, so I don't even know how that happened. I'm also going to take my waist measurement one more time just to see if by chance we lost some inches. And my measurement results are 33.25. I lost an inch. I mean, I really lost 3/4 an inch. 3/4. I don't know, I'm not really good at math. Close enough. I mean, you can't really argue it because it actually kind of worked. I mean, the proof is right there. I have the receipts. I have the receipts. No one can say that I'm lying. It is said that you can do this every morning. I don't know if I do it every morning, but maybe every 3 days, every 2 days. That's probably what I'm most likely going to do because this did not taste the best. It's not like friggin' lemonade here. Which, by the way, I did that diet too. Click above. Anyway, that's my whole tip. I hope that you liked it. And if you did, make sure that you comment down below. And also make sure that you follow me on all social media sites. I'm on Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, and Instagram. And also make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit that alarm button so you know when my next video goes live. And I'll see you next time. Bye! Gotta turn that air off. I really must love you guys. Okay, I'm waiting for the sirens to stop. They gotta fight crime now. Oh shit, I just spilled it on me. Oh my god, it stings. I didn't even drink it yet. Today is, no, I was about to say something else. Or much fat we have in our body. That doesn't sound right. We have on our, oh, where were we? That was good. Yay.